Now the hookup girl will smile.
Hey, mad.
Okay, you don't bring hookup girl for you. Let me call the man. Hey, hello, Oga.
Hello?
Good afternoon, sir. Where are you now? I don't bring the hookup girl.
Okay.
Which side are you?
I dey for that bar. That's Papa Ejima bar, the one where they opposite that two-story building.
Okay, yes, yeah, come in, sir.
But I hope say the girl, you know what they like now. You know, I hope say the girl said.
Yeah, insect now. Now what do they like? Now master stuff now.
Okay. More than they come.
Fire go damage that in your house forever. Fire go damage your head forever if you not remember.
Bye, sir.
Where do you want?
Yeah. Now come now. Why are you wasting time?
Jesus.
Okay, you know now the guy be that now. You know.
Come here.
Okay, you know now the guy be that. Now the hookup girl will smile.
Hey, mad.
Okay, you don't let me say I bring hookup girl for you. See am now.
So this is what you do?
Okay, you don't like the girl? She don't fine.
See, like, I go slap your face. Make you bring me. You go carry my own daughter come for me.
No, okay, I don't know now.
Is this what you do?
I don't like this, you know. You, what are you doing here? I will tell mommy for you that you're chasing girls.
Thunder fire you there. I asked you to organize a fine pin-up line. You went and brought my daughter.
She not fine. You can't listen to her daughter. I know her daughter. She not fine. Even her person daughter now, uncle. She not fine. Okay, balance my money.
Thunder fire you. Come and collect money.
Balance my money.
Idiot. What kind of a disgrace is this? What don't I do to this girl? What is it that Amaka is looking for? Hi, God, Jesus Christ. My own daughter into hookup.